Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to move the Facebook navigation bar from the top to the bottom after the latest Facebook update. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, go to Google Play Store, tap on search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook and now check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated showing. Tap on update option. Okay, waiting a few minutes and now complete your Facebook update. And another option, go to Facebook and tap on profile icon, tap on three line option, scroll down, tap on help and support and tap on report a problem. Scroll down, tap on continue to report a problem. Scroll down, tap on include. Scroll down, tap on settings and now enter your problem here. Scroll down. Hello Facebook team, I am facing a problem with the new Facebook navigation bar update. The navigation menu bar has moved to the top of the apps and now select enter here and now waiting 24 hours. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.